Ever wondered why your mobile phone suddenly stops working? Or why the battery drains faster than usual? Welcome to a world of solutions for common mobile issues. Let's dive right in. Firstly, a common issue most people face is a slow phone. The reason could be overloaded data or multiple running applications. To fix this, start by clearing the cache. This is a temporary storage area in your device which often stores unnecessary data. By clearing it, you free up space and enhance your phone's performance. On Android, head to Settings, then Storage, and finally Cache Data. A prompt will appear asking if you wish to clear it. Confirm, and voila, you're done. For iOS users, unfortunately, there is no direct way. However, you can try offloading unused apps or deleting and reinstalling apps that take up significant space. Next up, the infamous battery drain. It might be due to background apps, screen brightness, or even a faulty battery. To address this, close unnecessary apps running in the background. Adjust your screen brightness and ensure your device software is up to date, as updates often come with battery performance improvements. If all else fails, consider replacing your battery. Then comes poor network reception. This issue may be due to your location or a problem with your device. Try switching on and off your airplane mode. If the problem persists, reset your network settings. Remember, this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so proceed with caution. Lastly, we have the unresponsive touchscreen. This could be due to a software glitch or physical damage. If it's the former, a simple restart should do the trick. If it's the latter, you might need to get your screen replaced. Now let's recap. First, a slow phone can be fixed by clearing the cache on Android or offloading apps on iOS. Second, a fast-draining battery can be addressed by closing background apps, adjusting screen brightness, updating your device software, or replacing the battery. Third, poor network reception can be improved by toggling the airplane mode or resetting network settings. And finally, an unresponsive touchscreen can be fixed by a restart or screen replacement. Remember, these are simple fixes to common issues. If your device still doesn't function as expected, it might be time to consult a professional. And that's it. By knowing these tips, you can save time, money, and avoid unnecessary frustration. You don't have to be a tech wizard to fix common phone issues. With a little patience and the right steps, you can bring your device back to life.